Party of China.
It's really an honor for me to be here, and I sincerely thank our host, our brother, for this kind invitation. His Excellency Mr. Yang, the Consul General of China. Honorable friends, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a good evening. I've been called upon the stage to share my experience and thought of my recent visit to China. But before I begin, I want to give a small introduction, a short introduction about myself and my organization. My name is Owais Iqbal Baloch and I'm from Pasni district, 𝗃𝗏. 𝗃𝗏 is for me not only my hometown, but an important part of my identity. I'm currently serving as a head of VshNews television, which is Pakistan's first satellite television channel that focuses on Balochistan. Having 18 years of experience in covering stories and news on peoples whose deprivedness, politics, business, development, and most importantly, their culture in Balochi and Urdu language. I've been to China 3 times before, and every visit was amazing. I was deeply impressed by their hospitality whenever I visit there. During my last travel to China, I had an opportunity to explore their culture, their governance system, and particularly their people. Just last year in July, I visited once again. This journey was interesting as it allowed me to explore even more. It was a short 4-day trip with a group of journalists whom I had the honor to head. My first destination was Beijing, where I met my respectable friend, Mr. Chu, who is currently the president of China Economic Net, as well as Daily China. And one thing I like to mention that VshNews has been collaborating with CEN for the last 9 years. Our partnership is based on mutual understanding and trust. I've also had the privilege of hosting CEN officials in 𝗃𝗏 and in Karachi as well. During these 4 days of travel, we visited historical landmarks as well as high-tech centers. But I had a great experience about their innovation. In Beijing, our first visit was a smart logistic hub project, providing cold chain logistic facilities for food storage and preservation. This storage facility was built by China State Construction Company. And this is the same company that built Islamabad Airport and some other project like Peshawar-Karachi Highway and Karachi Garbage Facility. An agricultural state, we lack such type of preservations and storage facilities. I just talk about only the province Balochistan, which is the southwestern part of Pakistan, and Balochistan is always called a basket of fruits. And there are all kind of grapes, you name them, apples, and particularly the dates. And I was just researching and going through my last weekend that more than 200,000 of dates are produced in just 3 sections of Balochistan. And majority of that date got rotten because of zero preservation and zero storage. And these are the 2 kind of dates One is the table fruit and other is used for the industrial purpose. And I wish that our government should also take such initiative to build such smart logistic facilities around Pakistan and to preserve such important fruit and food that got rotten after some time. Another location, which was the agriculture side, it was really amazing. They had developed very smart ways. These Chinese people are great. They are very smart. They've developed all these smart ways of agriculture with high-tech modules for farming in a very controlled environment. And I did ask my colleague that, what do you mean by a controlled environment? They said, no matter if it rains, if the wind is blowing too fast, we'll manage it. And the best part, when we were roaming, our colleagues, when we all were roaming, all the graduates, the students, young people are busy in their research and practical things. Graduate involved in all kind of experience and research activities, not only in livestock, not only in cultivation, but fish farming as well. The next stop was very interesting. And I love that part when I go to China, that one day they take us to an high-tech module, an high-tech place, the other day they take us to a cultural activity. So our next stop was the Palace Museum. They call it the Forbidden City. I asked them why it is forbidden. They told me that this place was once only for the royal families, for the elite, not for general public. But what I witnessed that this Forbidden City has truly changed into an unforbidden city and is open for everyone. People of all ages, elderly citizens, young people, school children, I can see them dressed in their traditional attire, just like the kings and the queens, as they experience their heritage. In that moment, every citizen of China feels like a royal. Our third visit was to the beautiful city of Hangzhou, a place renowned for its rich history, scenic beauty, technology hub, and they call it an AI town. And the best part is when they call it, this is an AI town, you can see it. You can feel that. Hangzhou is not merely a city, it is full of development and a vibrant metropolis. With rich tradition and massive development, both coexist. And this part was amazing. Again, one day they took to our high-tech facilities, and the other day they took us to the traditional activities. It is a home for major technology industry. Most notably, we all know the name Alibaba. And during my visit to its headquarters, I witnessed the remarkable work they have accomplished. And their continued innovation in technology and business sector is exceeding day by day. What inspired me the most is not only China's massive state-of-the-art transformation, but the way it has preserved its long history and tradition. This inspires me a lot. On one hand, I saw people working together with dedication and collective effort. And on the other hand, I saw they celebrate and enjoy their life in their traditional style, like a grand family. This deeply resonated me, as I too belong to an ancient civilization and carry the heritage of my ancestors with great pride. My last destination was really eye-catching. A newly transformed city of Shanghai, once a small fishing town just like Gwadar or Pasni. Today it stands as a real mega city, one of the world's most important and busiest commercial port. It was always a great learning and experience whenever I visit China. I really extend my sincere thanks to those who accompanied us, and especially to the people of China, who show us great respect, warm hospitality, and a true friendly atmosphere. I express my heartfelt gratitude to all of them with the coming new year. Your Excellency, I wish you, your team, your family, your nation a very happy new year, and wish that whatever you said, as you were mentioning the horse symbol, and this will also bring good fortune for us as well. Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen.